Now, piercing the veil of illusion, this is kind of a signature workshop for me, comes from Hinduism. And the word Maya, I think it's translated, Ma is not, and Ya is that. So anytime a student would ask the teacher, well, is Satori, for example, this? And he'd spit out some words. And the mentor or guru would just say, Maya, illusion, not that. Uh, so we're going to be playing with this today so you can actually experience what you see in what's on the screen and then listen to what other people are observing. And then we can play with this. And maybe what someone else is seeing or experiencing will trigger something in your own mind, or maybe you will see something that you did not see there before. So it's a bit of an eye-opening experience.